Welcome to this short guide to referencing values in Google Sheets. This is part of the Trainee Tracker series. In spreadsheets, you can mirror the value in one cell to another cell. These cells can be anywhere in Google Sheets, even different files. Open the example spreadsheet shared in the notes. Select the cell you wish to mirror to. Press equals. Notice that the equals sign appears in the formula field as well. Now navigate to your source of truth. Here we are going to a different tab in the same file. Click the cell that will be your source. Press return. You will be returned to the first cell. And look, the formula field has been filled in with some code. What does it mean? We'll look at this again later. But this is just one cell. What if we want the whole column? Select the column by pressing the A. Then, press Command D. Ping. All the values are referenced automatically. When you use duplicate, or Command D, Google Sheets knows to do the same thing for each row in this column. Google Sheets automatically increments the reference to A3, A4, etc. Now this column is referenced. When we make changes to this source, those changes will be mirrored on our dashboard. Let's sort this column. Sort. Look, it's sorted on the dashboard too. Now we go from Zippy to Alexis. You don't need to choose a new tab to reference a value. You can reference on the same sheet. Click in column D, row 1, and press the equals sign. Select column A, row 1, and press return. Look in the formula field. It says that this cell equals A1. The formula is a location. It is saying that the value of the selected cell is equal to the value of the cell located at column A, row 1. So long as we put the right location, we can reference values on the same sheet, on a different tab, or even a completely different file. Make a new empty spreadsheet. In the first cell, type the equals sign. This time, type equals import and choose import range. To import, add the URL of your source and then the cell location. I will include the exact syntax in the notes. You will always get an error like this at first. Click the cell and choose the blue Allow Access button. The value appears. To import the whole column, change the location to A:A. This always means all the rows in that column. If you typed 2:2, you would get everything in row 2 across all columns. Referencing values is how we can build dashboards like this cohorts dashboard. We can pull specific, limited, values from lots of different spreadsheets and share insights without sharing confidential data. This was the longest video. I hope it makes sense of the referenced values in the Trainee Tracker.